Hey Note 13 Pro users, finally the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G gets the HyperOS 3.1 update. And in this video we are going to discuss the new changes and features we get to see in this new update. So if you have a Note 13 Pro 5G or Poco X6 5G, make sure to watch the video till the end. The first feature or change we get to see in this new update is in the lock screen, where an additional new layout is added in the list, which is known as the Xiaomi EV layouts, where we get the same clock layouts with the new EV wallpapers. And the second feature we get in this new update is the new EV wallpapers, which you can apply on both the home screen as well as the lock screen. The next change we get to see is the UI smoothness, and believe me, after the HyperOS 3.1 update, the Note 13 Pro 5G UI is really smooth, whether it's control center, icons, app folders or the taskbar. So overall the UI feels smoother as compared to the previous version. The next feature or change we get to see is in the Hyper Island, which is now a bit smoother compared to the previous version. Additionally, now the music control looks way more premium than before, as the gradient color is moving, or you can say it has a dynamic effect and it really looks premium. Plus we get the addition of navigation in the Hyper Island, which means now you can see the live navigation in the Hyper Island. By the way, it is still limited to only 3 apps at a time, plus there is no support for any third-party apps. The next feature we get to see in the HyperOS 3.1 on our Note 13 Pro 5G is in the camera app, where we get a touch-up on the icons. Plus we get 2 new watermark options, which look something like this after taking pictures. Now for the next changes, let's get into the settings menu, where the first change we get to see is in the fingerprint and password settings, where now you have to input your password to open this setting. And after you open it, the layout looks something like this, which is completely different compared to any previous version. The second new feature we get to see is in the security settings, where the first feature is anti-fraud protection, where we get options for calls, messages, apps, web browsing and casting, and it's really helpful for daily users to stay safe from spam or fraud. The next feature is very useful for users who love to use their phone while traveling, and the feature is called motion sickness relief, where we get to see moving dots on the edges of the screen. By the way, if you travel a lot, do let me know whether you actually use this feature or not. Now, the next feature is new, or maybe it already existed, I really don't know. But it's really useful for daily usage. And this feature is available in the accessibility settings. And the feature is called Clarity Mode, where we get some options to tweak according to our needs. And it's really useful for daily usage. For the next feature, we have to go to our Gallery app. Then edit an image, and here we get some touch up in the editing options. Plus if we tap on the menu, here also we get some settings, such as the feature settings, where you can tweak the layout according to your needs. Plus we also get 3 new plugins, which are really useful sometimes for editing our images. By the way, have you ever tested all the editing options in the gallery editor on any image? Do let me know in the comments below. Now, last but not least, the change we get to see in the HyperOS 3.1 is in the new game Turbo, where we get a new layout, which now looks more stable and premium than the previous version. So with these features, these are the new features and changes we get to see on our Note 13 Pro 5G with the HyperOS 3.1 update. By the way, apart from these features, did you notice anything new on HyperOS 3.1? Let us know in the comments below. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, do like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more Note 13 Pro updates in the future. See you in the next video. Till then, keep exploring.